안녕하세요, 여러분. I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel, The Bong Connection. I am a little late to the party, but you are never too late to react to a BTS video. This is BTS V's Rainy Days, the official music video. He released 2 songs back to back, and I was on a vacation. I was like, what? I was not ready for this. So yeah, let's just do this. Here's my reaction to Rainy Days official music video in 3, 2, 1, and go. Both the songs have a retro vibe, which I'm really enjoying. Ah, that retro face. So good.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe 이젠 지난 일을 맨날. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Such an interesting apartment. The close-up shots though.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 make clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
I know, right?
What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Such an interesting concept. You know, I am loving the way he's portraying his music videos. It has a very different vibe to it. Very artistic, very retro, yet very relatable. So both the songs, the first one is Love Me Again, where he's talking about how he's not able to forget the love he had for the person he was with, even though they have parted ways. The second one is, I think what I can understand from both the songs is it's like the journey after that person has left him. It was the initial part. You know, there are 5 stages of grief and 5 stages of dealing with the loss of a loved one. It can be, you know, death, it can be separation, it can be divorce, it can be heartbreak, whatever it is, breakup. So after that person has left him, he's trying to cope up with his life. He's trying to get over and trying to deal with the absence in his life. And how he's doing that, that's the story of Rainy Days. He doesn't know what to do. Every day he's waking up and he doesn't have a purpose. He doesn't have a person to be with. He's feeling that emptiness beside him. So it's very slow for him. He's trying to deal with all the negativity that's coming with the, separation. So that's how it's being portrayed. The only person in his life, only living thing in his life is his dog to accompany him, but sometimes that loneliness eats you up, right? And it's the stage, it's his dealing stage, his coping stage with sadness and separation. Beautifully portrayed. The way it's shown is amazing. I love the music video. The cinematography is really, really cinematic in a way, and I love the apartment that they shot it in. I don't know whether it's a real apartment or they just made it's a set or not. It looks beautiful. I love the way the rooms are decorated. The rooms are like these circle like glasses made of wood. It looks like a futuristic place somehow. The sound is very nice. It's very free flowing and casual and slow, and his voice is like butter. It's just so soothing to your ears. He can make any song feel sensual and sexy at the same time. He has that huskiness to his voice, right? I love it. It's part English, part Korean, but it's mostly English, like whatever I heard so far. And I like it. His voice is so beautiful. Like one of the most beautiful and unique voices he has in the music industry all over the world. So I really enjoy his voice. Very calm and serene, and it perfectly portrays his other side, his other personality that I already said in his last music video. Really love this. It's very artistic and it's very flavorful. And he looked so good in glasses, and the blonde, oh my god. He's a man of every woman and man's dreams, okay? That's for sure. That's V for you. Let me know down in the comment section, what did you guys think about this music video? What did you think about my reaction to it? Leave a like, comment down below your thoughts and suggestions. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. I'll be seeing you guys again. And keep liking, subscribing, and sharing the love. Until then, ciao.